So pay attention. So picture a bubble. This is what I want you to picture. This is how I teach people. Imagine a bubble. That bubble is debt. Okay. There's no real money in the system. We have 120% debt to income ratio. There's no real money in the system. So imagine just a big debt bubble. Okay. And picture an interest symbol. Somebody's earning it and somebody's paying it. Okay. Let me say that again. Somebody's earning it and somebody's paying it. That's it. There's a big bubble of debt. Now I want you to picture another bubble in there of liquidity. Okay, and so it stays inside this bubble of debt. So what you're seeing in Bitcoin right now, this is my opinion of what's happening, is Bitcoin is being liquidated and it's moving up into AI technology. So imagine it's moving in that little debt bubble. The liquidity is coming out of Bitcoin. It's liquidating people, okay, that have liquidating people. It's moving from the emotional, okay, to the non-emotional, and the undisciplined to the disciplined. It's being liquidated. It's moving up into AI technology, so people are running into AI in the overvalued stock market. They're trying to make their profit there, and it's going to flood people in, the regular public, because they're excited to get rich quick. But the big money is going to exit, and you're going to be the exit liquidity, and that liquidity is going to come back into Bitcoin and other assets. So that's why you see gold and silver go up. Okay, that's why you see stocks go up. So that's why you see one market go up and one market go down. Remember, guys, there's debt. The liquidity is just moving through the system. That's it. Okay, remember, one man's liability is another man's asset. So your debt is another person's asset. Okay, so your goal is to get on the other side of the interest symbol. So how do we do that? This is how we do it. Okay, we exit in greed and we enter in red. For example, with cryptocurrency right now getting smashed, our warriors are like, let's go. We buy good cryptos at fair prices. Okay, so I'm getting good entry points at Bitcoin on the way down. I'm getting great entry points of XRP. I'm getting great entry points of Solana. Those are three of my favorite cryptocurrencies. Okay, there's no emotion in it. Okay, I don't try to catch the bottom. I'm dollar cost averaging chunks on the way down. Like right when I get off here, I'm gonna buy more Bitcoin. Okay, I also have a dollar cost average plan. Every day I'm buying my favorite cryptocurrencies. Okay, here's the other key factor. You have to have a system. Offense and defense. Offense looks like this, crypto and stocks, okay? You're playing Russian roulette if you're trying to retire off stuff that looks like this. Okay, you don't know when the market's gonna collapse, and you don't know who hits a switch to make the collapse on a certain day, like 1929, like 2000, like 2008, like 2020, 1010, 2025 in crypto. You don't know who's pulling that switch, so you gotta have a plan to exit to do what? To protect. Okay, so here's exactly what I do. I get in red. When it goes in green, I pulled profits before, when everybody's coming in to get rich, I'm pulling money off the table and boom, I move it into protection. That's my protection category. Cash value life insurance, okay? It's my number one protection category.